Hauzik Pau Sandokna Pizari Leibak asigi constitution bu ngakna chetpa amasung masibu kaihandana thamba haibasi aikhoi khudingmakki thaudangni haina High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice M Sundarna phongdorakli wafam asing asi Manipuri da leiba High Court of Manipur gi auditorium da pangthokpa humfutara taruk Suba Constitution Day gi thoram da mahakna phongdokhibani High Court of Manipur, Bar Council of Manipur, High Court Bar Association, All Manipur Bar Association amadi Manipur Judicial Academy na silaga pangthokpa thoram aduda High Court of Manipur gi Judge Singh Justice A. Bimol, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Justice Golmai Gaiful Silu Kabui, Manipur ki Advocate General Lenin Hizam, Bar Council Manipur ki Chairman S. Brajabihari, High Court Bar Association of Manipur ki President N. Kumarjit Singh amadi All Manipur Bar Association ki President C.H. Bimol Chandrana, President Member Singoina Sarukyaki. India ki preamble pathokmina duna pangthokkiba thoram aduda Chief Justice M Sundarna haikibada Constitution haibasi leibak asigi oinadi achangba document amani masina leibak asigi leizariba liberty equality amadi sacrifice natana diversity linguistic religious cultural amasung social gi oiba hiram kaya yauna fundamental rights sing buning singhali Miyam the freedom of speech amasung freedom of religious equality before the law hairiba kaya piriba Constitution asibu mathau masak khangba praja ama oina kaihandana amadi illaga chatpa tangai fade haike.
This day, celebrated as Samvidhan Divas, is an occasion to reflect on the vision of our founding fathers and the enduring principles that form the bedrock of our democracy. Our Constitution is not just a legal text; it is a vision, it is a promise, and a pathway to justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It represents the hopes, struggles, and minds and sacrifices of the freedom fighters who dreamt of an India that would uphold dignity for all. One of the most remarkable features of our Constitution is its inclusiveness.